Welcome to Jaguar Engineering at Whitley. Here, the Jaguars of the future are being created using the latest technology and with a commitment to the highest standards and values. Whitley is taking the Jaguar legend into the 21st century. World-class design and development facilities, exceptional skills, pride in the Jaguar name. Whitley is responsible for all styling, engineering and testing that takes place before a new model goes into production. Jaguar's current range was developed here. More than £50 million was invested over 3 years to transform Whitley after Jaguar took it over in 1985. It opened officially as Jaguar's Engineering Centre in 1988. All Jaguar's product development takes place at Whitley. Advanced design technology means that designers can try out and evaluate many more ideas than would have been possible in the past. Only the ones most likely to succeed need to be built as prototypes. The time saved can be used to perfect designs and to focus on their high-quality execution. Styling are responsible for the unique flowing lines of a Jaguar, both inside and out. The department also handles design ergonomics, analysing the customer's use of the car. Are the controls easy to find, reach and operate? The designs are sculpted in clay. Once approved, they are digitally scanned into a computer right down to the smallest button on the dashboard. The data creates a computer-aided design, or CAD model of the car. It can then be used by engineering to ensure that the design is feasible for manufacture. The surfaces are smoothed and refined. Any necessary changes are made on the screen and to assess the final design. Whitley has over 750 CAD workstations. They are used to design three-dimensional models, prototypes and production components. Before they go into production, all components have to be tested on a complete vehicle. Jaguar's prototype build facility grafts new parts onto a road-going current car. It becomes an attribute prototype to test systems like a new front suspension. Computer-aided engineering, CAE, is used to analyse the design of major systems such as the body shell and the bumper assemblies, seating systems and instrument panel. The latest CAE technology can predict precisely how a design will behave and helps to get it right first time. Traditional prototypes would have taken weeks to assess. CAE produces a far more accurate result far more quickly. The durability of the major chassis systems, suspension, steering and braking are just as important as the way they perform. Computer simulations allow designs to be optimized early in the vehicle program. Rig testing verifies chassis and body design. The data that drives the rigs is based on a car's actual experience on the road. But for durability trials, only the potentially damaging events are used. The hard braking, hitting the curb or poor road surfaces. This compresses the life of the car into a matter of hours. Safety is one of the responsibilities of Jaguar's PLC department, product legislation and compliance. Jaguar has more than 60 markets around the world, and it must ensure that its vehicles exceed each one's legal requirements. Specialist off-site facilities are used for crash testing, but for the body engineering team, most of the work takes place before and afterwards. They design the best systems, fit them to the test cars, and analyse all the film and test data. Government statistics show the end result. Jaguars have been consistently rated as one of the safest cars on UK roads in recent years. At the heart of every Jaguar is the refined power of its engine. High performance, smooth, effortless operation. Whitley powertrain engineers designed Jaguar's current AJ-V6 and V8 engine range, and they worked closely with manufacturing to introduce them into production. The team is now developing the engines of the future, making and testing the prototypes, exploring new technologies, balancing refined high performance, excellent fuel economy and low emissions. Confirmation prototypes, or CPs, verify the design and its manufactured capabilities. The body shell, engines, and major components are very close to the production car. CPs are road tested in disguise to prevent a new style being seen before launch. Every new Jaguar is thoroughly tested on test tracks and proving grounds around the world. Whitley analyzes the data that comes in from the Arctic cold of northern Canada, the blistering heat of the Arizona desert, and the high-speed trials in Italy, Germany, and the UK. A durability test car may run the equivalent of 150,000 miles on the road. Rigorous attention to detail and an obsession with quality make Whitley a world-class engineering centre and produce great new cars. True Jaguar.